The Klaksvík shipyard began its operations in 1928. As its name suggests, the shipyard is located in the town of Klaksvík. The shipyard has a very well-equipped workshop close by the quay. The Klaksvík shipyard is able to provide all that's necessary for normal maintenance of a ship or factory. We carry out not only routine repair work at our workshop, but also turn out excellent work in aluminium and stainless steel. Our stores warehouse is always ready to offer a helping hand to ensure that our customers have the right part when they need it, whether it's a specialty item or routine resupply of standard parts, such as bolts, washers, pipe couplings, or other fittings. The Klaksvík shipyard also operates a technical department that can provide top quality advice, as well as the design and testing of all technical equipment, including incline tests. One of the slipways can accommodate vessels weighing up to 800 tons and up to 70 meters in length. In addition to selling and repairing CAT and MAK engines, the shipyard employs very well-trained and highly experienced machinists and marine engineers who are always ready to work with you to solve any problem you might have with any type of engine. The Klaksvík shipyard maintains a close working relationship with many experienced subcontractors so that it can offer a complete service in one location. The Klaksvík shipyard can be reached 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 298 232030.